That, ladies and gentlemen, is Amitabh Saxena, India's most successful professional for Lean and Six Sigma training. Amitabh Saxena, उन्हें यहाँ पर मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी.
I would like to thank Brands Impact for this award. Also, it becomes special when it comes to me from Raveena Tandon, who herself is an icon. Receiving the award doesn't mean that I'm somebody. It just means that I'm on the way to become somebody. And it takes a team, excellent team, to do whatever we have achieved. I would like to thank all the people who have walked this journey with me. Dr. Varsha, who is my wife, she has been a support. Mr. Pradeep Sharma, who has seen this whole journey for the last 10 years. Alex, Pavitra, who has, I'm really thankful for your 100% dedication. And all the other team members, thanks a lot. लक्ष्य पथ चाहे कठिन हो, दूर तक तू मिलते हो, हार ना तू धुंध से, साहस संजोकर मुश्किलों का सामना कर. विश्व बंधुत्व सोच तेरी, पर द्वेष की छाया घनेरी, परस्पर वह मनस्य को हर, शक्ति बनकर शांति की तू साधना कर.
So I'm feeling very happy. Receiving the award from Raveena ji was again a big pleasure.
Thank you so very much for this evening, and congratulations to all the winners of all the success stories that we have here this evening.